The secular bull market is just beginning. Right. Let's go. My name's Greg. I'm going to go to the cryptocurrency market. I'm going to make this short and sweet. Okay. Do your own research into this. Check everything to get an idea what's going on with the markets, not just cryptocurrency. You're going to need to check minor stocks. You're going to need to check MicroStrategy. You're going to need to check GBTC. You're going to need to check the tech stocks. Okay. So I would just do that, even though some think it's not correlated or anything like that type thing. It's not correlated. Yeah, you can say that Bitcoin can go down while the stocks go up, but generally the overall long-term trend, if stocks are going up, Bitcoin kind of goes up, even though they can be in corrections at different times. Okay. There's nothing, it's not, the S&P 500 could be in a correction at a different time when the NASDAQ's in a correction. Okay. So make it short and sweet. Here we go. There's a gentleman on YouTube just talked about a pretty popular channel. And I think it makes a lot of sense. He flipped bearish, as he should have, in the cryptocurrency market, just like I did. And I pissed off all the moon boys. Said, oh, man, what's wrong with you, man? You're not a moon boy anymore. I'm a moon boy when you're supposed to be a moon boy. And time is not to be a moon boy. So I don't think he's going to be wrong with his short on YFI, Yearn Finance. What did he say? 666. The number of the beast, right? From where it is, down 66%. I think he's going to be right. So let's go down 66%. Let's see, where is that? All the way. Yeah, I'm right in that area. 68, 66, about $1,700. Okay. So what do you think is going to cause that drop? Now, there could be a bounce in there. I think it's going to go sideways. I think Bitcoin's going to go sideways for a while. Keep you guys all pumped up. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Why? Because of NASDAQ over here and the S&P 500 will be continue to trend up. But you can see with the NASDAQ, boom. You see that on the weekly RSI? And look what it did here. Boom. So what's it doing now? It's going up for its fifth wave. That's what I'll be checking right there. Move up in that fifth wave and start seeing that divergence right there, guys. And it'll be coming up for a correction. Bitcoin doing a correction. In the meantime, you can have sideways action with Bitcoin. Just like you've been experiencing. Sideways. You see? Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, back down. You might get another one over here too. You might get a solid push over here too, right? As a matter of fact, I expect that to happen because some positive news comes out with the Bitcoin ETF. Right? Bitcoin ETF. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Bull market. It's going to spawn the bull market. Okay. That narrative has been going on since 2016, 2017, guys. Okay. So, like, oh, wow. Grayscale is going to switch to an ETF. Bull market, bull market, bull market. Come on, man. Let's be real here, guys. Let's be real. Reality crypto show. What's going to change? Instead of being, what are they? I can't remember the name. There's a certain type of fund. So they go from this fund to an exchange traded fund, an ETF. Ooh, yeah, bull market, bull market. Okay, guys. So don't see it. Don't see it. Now, Yearn Finance is going to go down 66%. What do you think is going to happen to Cardano? I think the same thing. Going to take it some time. Let's say Cardano pops back up to 30 cents. And it could. I don't think it's going to get above that trend line, though. It might. It might. But I don't think so. Let's go down 66%. There you go. 9-10 cents. 9-10 cents. Look at these minor stocks. People are talking about these minor stocks. Oh, yeah, man. Bull market, minor stocks are getting ready to pump. I say get out of this stock. I mean, unless you're trading it, different story. I'm not talking about trading it. This is not a long position. So it's going to come down. It's going to hit the 200 SMA. It's going to go sideways for a little while. It's going to roll over and it's going to break those lows over there, $3. Okay. Sideways action for a period of time. Come out here to a weekly chart. It's hanging on to this 40 MA is what it's doing. right now. Bitcoin's hanging on to that 40-period moving average, guys. I'll turn off all this mess. And it's just hanging right on that 40 MA. It's below the 200, it's below the 9, it's below the 21, and it's hanging on to the 40. And I do think it seems reasonable. Some news might be coming along. You know, this will be the Bitcoin ETF news. And that'll be the last hoorah for Bitcoin. Because by that time, these guys will be finishing up, going into their correction. And then Bitcoin will be going down into its correction. Now, is Bitcoin going to break the low down here? I have no idea. But evidence is suggesting that that is a really good probability. Real good probability. I know Moon Boys, man. If it hangs on to that low, you're going to go with 1, 2, and it's blasting to a 3, right? It's going to blast off into a 3. Hey, I will be paying attention. I will be paying attention to that to see if that's going to happen. I'll tell you right now, I have my doubts, though. But you just never know. You just never know. Either way, it'd still be a good bounce. You know, even if it does go like this and goes like that and it does a bounce, it'll still do a bounce if it's finishing up run down here. So either way, some of these, how deep these stocks, or not stocks, but how deep these some of these cryptos are projecting to go. Bitcoin is, in my opinion, the higher probability it's going to break that low. One of the reasons I have evidence, come here to total 2. It's not looking healthy on total 2, guys. Just not looking healthy on total 2 at all. And 66% drop. 666, the number of the beast, down to those areas. Right back down to that target area, the zone right here. It's what I would be checking out. Come on to a monthly chart. I'll show you quick, sweet monthly chart. Put it on logarithmic. This cycle is probably finished for total 2. A nice 5-wave move. Okay. This is where it started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th is about as long as the first wave. That's about how long it is. And you get right here. There's your 3rd wave peak. There's your 5th, your 3rd, back down. Here's your 3rd of your 5th. There's your 5th of your 5th. 5th of the 5th of 5th means it's finished, usually. And it's correcting that whole cycle, guys. It's going to correct the whole cycle. And where do they like to correct to? A bullish asset, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, likes to correct to the previous 4th wave, which would be right there. Would be the zone you'd be looking for. Okay. So I think that's a really good probability of what's going to be going on. That's about a 66% drop too. Interesting. You came up with that number. Well, no, that's like 80, another 80, 90%. A little bit more. You could see the, let me go to my indicators, put on that stochastics on the monthly. It's not as strong as Bitcoin's. It didn't go all the way to the top. But monthly stochastics rolling over right there, the bearish cross. Same thing on Bitcoin, except it went higher. That doesn't appear to be very pretty on that stochastics. And a rollover right there. More than likely, this, you know, however it's going to get down there, back down to that area, in my opinion, with that. Okay. So it doesn't look, the crypto market doesn't look healthy at all, guys. It just doesn't, you know. So I'm just going to take it easy. I'm just going to take it easy, guys. Just let these things drop. Just let them drop, guys. Okay? Let them drop. So, and come back at the real bottom. If you made it all the way to the end, do me a huge favor. Drop a like. Hit that subscribe button. Peace.